Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Verticals. So today we are talking about the popular Bhojpuri actress Parul Yadav. So I edit a song and the song name is Sadi Lalki. This song is recently released on YouTube and gets a million of view. And my video is more smoother and sharpener. It's available in 4K 60 FPS in vertical edit. So I covering all the angle of Parul Yadav in this video. So the Lalki Sadi is a very vibrant and energetic Bhojpuri song that has resonate with audience both in India and among the global Bhojpuri diaspora. It's a perfect repetition of the traditional yet contemporary style that characterize much of Bhojpuri music today. In this review, we will develop into various elements that make Sadi Lalki a standout track, including its thematic depth, musical compositions, lyrics richness, cultural significance, and its lasting impact on the Bhojpuri music scene. At the heart of Sadi Lalki lies the theme of love and celebrations. The song encapsulates the essence of youthful romance, portraying the playful dynamic between lovers. The lyrics are infused with a sense of joy and exuberance, reflecting the carefree spirit of love. This theme is a common thread in many Bhojpuri songs where love is celebrated in various forms. The song's depictions of filtration and affections resonate with listeners, making it readable and enjoyable. For a wide audience, the celebration of love is must not just limit or to romantic relationships but also extend to joy of life and community, which is hallmark of Bhojpuri culture. Musically, Sadi Lalki is a delightful blend of traditional and modern element. The songs feature a lovely temperature driven by the rhythmic beat of traditional instrument such as a dholak and harmonium. These instruments are skillfully combined with temporary sound, creating a fresh and engaging auditory experience. The melody is catchy and infectious, encouraging listeners to dance and participate in the celebrations. The upbeat nature of music make it popular choice for wedding, festivals and social gathering where the atmosphere is filled with joy and energy. The lyrics of Sadi Lalki are particularly noteworthy for their vivid imaginary and cultural reference. The use of Bhojpuri dialect add authentic to the song, allowing it to resonate deeply with its target audience. The playful language and falterized tone of the lyrics capture the essence of young love, making it both entertaining and readable. Additionally, the song often incorporate reference to traditional attire, local costume and social parties, which further enrich its cultural context. This blend of modern themes with traditional element create a unique narrative that appeal to a diverse audience. Culturally, Lalki Sadi as serves as an important representation of music Bhojpuri, which has seen resurge in popularity in recent years. The song has become a staple at celebration, often played during dance performance and festivities. An infectious energy and made song DJ and music lovers, leading to various remakes and adaptations. So if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel